Hello everyone, let's go to the last type of diagram, which is called the scatter diagram. So when we'll use it is the time that we have two sets of data and we want to see if there are any relationship. Okay, so what do we when we have two sets of data? For example, after your examination, I know your examination mark, and then I want to see also see how long have you spent in workshop. I want to check if any relationship between the examination marks and then the time that you have spent in your workshop. Okay, so for example, I will write it down. If for the horizontal axis will be the time you spend in hour. Let's say 2 hours, 4 hours, 6, 8, and 10, something like that. And then this will be the vertical axis, will be your exam marks, like 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, I hope that no one gets less than 40 marks. Okay, so I will maybe ask Kathy. Maybe Kathy is very smart. Even though she only spent 4 hours, but she can get 100 marks. Then Ms. Chen will be very happy about this. But maybe someone will spend 6 hours and then not bad. He can get 18 marks. So somewhere here, after I ask every one of you, then I can plot every result on the diagram. Okay, for example, this student is very hardworking. That he spent 10 hours. At the same time, he can get 100 marks, which is very happy about that. But someone may very hardworking, but still can only get very low mark. So yes, you can imagine that after I plot I will have some diagram like this. We call it a scatter diagram. So is there any relationship between the examination and mark and the period of time they spend in revision? Yes, I think so, because you can see the trend is like this. It means the more time you spend in your revision, the higher marks you can get in examination. So we can say they have positive relationship. Okay, so this will be the case. The time you spend more, the higher marks you can get. So we call it positive relationship. But sometimes when we have more something on the horizontal axis, but this one will be lower. When is the case is that when you want to buy something, okay, number of apples, let's say number of apples. The more of apples you buy, then the money per apple you spend will be less. For example, let's say $5 for one apple if you just buy one. But if you it will be like $12 for free. Usually the supermarkets ask you to buy the apples in a bundle. Okay, the more you buy, the price for each apple will be less. So this type of relationship we call it a negative relationship. Or sometimes we don't have much relationship. We cannot see a trend or in the diagram. So we call them no direct relationship. Okay, let's see the example below. Here we have the scores in two different sessions, session A and session B. Okay, so you can see the higher marks in the session A, the higher marks in section B as well. So we can say they are positive relationship. What about this one? Because we can see cannot see any trend, so no direct relationship. The last one, you can see it goes down in this way. It means here is about the time you spend on web online and the age. You can see the older is the people, the less time they spend on web. For example, this one, which is nearly 50 years old, that's why he or she spend only 0.8 hours online. What about for some youngsters, some teenagers? This one, he is only 20 years old, and then she has spent more than 3 hours in web. So you can see the older the people is, the shorter the time they spend on people, the shorter the time they spend on web. That is, we call this negative relationship.